Let's discuss a question from heat transfer. Well, this is again a question from radiation. We are given that assume that sun, there's a correction here, so assume that the sun to be a black body at a temperature of 5914. So you have a sun where you got to assume that it's at it's at a temperature. Generally the temperature of the sun is estimated by some studies at about 5000, so 5914 Kelvin is the temperature which you are asked to assume, and for the sun, and also it is a black body. Now the wavelength at which the emission peaks. So the sun will be emitting radiation, electromagnetic radiation at a in a band, right? Which will have many wavelengths. So it is asked that out of those wavelength, which will be the predominant wavelength at which the emission peaks. Now from this you should understand that from the Planck's laws, we have from the Planck's law in radiation, we have a graph which says that the spectral emission power, that is the emission power which depends on the wavelength, the graph looks like this. Now these are the graphs for each temperature, where on the x-axis you have the wavelength, and these are constant for each temperature. Like this is a temperature for 1000 Kelvin, 2000 Kelvin, and 3000 Kelvin, and so on. So what you can see is that the peak of this curve shifts towards left. That means the peak, as the temperature increases of the body, of the black body, these are for the black body, so as the temperature of the black body increases, the wavelength at which the spectral power is more, or the energy is emitted in the area under this curve, each of the curve gives the energy. So and the left side, on the y-axis you have the spectral power. So the wavelength at which the spectral power peaks shifts towards left for higher temperature. So now all these maximum lines are governed again by a Wien's displacement law, which basically says that the lambda max, that is the wavelength at which all these peak points form lambda max. So lambda max into the temperature is constant, so that is your Wien's displacement constant, and the constant value is 2897. Now this is something which you got to remember. Most of the time it will be given, but here it's not given. So 2897.6 micrometer Kelvin. So this is the constant. So all these lambda max, the peak spectral power wavelength. So once you know the temperature, you can find out at what wavelength the peak spectral power will occur. So that is precisely the problem. So temperature is of the sun, lambda max is something which we need to find out. Temperature is given as 5914. So this is 2897.6, and if you use a calculator, this is 0.489 micrometer. So roughly it's 0.5 micrometer. So looking at the option A is the correct answer. Thank you.